so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And look at what it is! Yeah, it's a backhoe! And today, you and I are going to learn about backhoes! Okay, now it's time to learn the exterior parts of the backhoe. Come on! Wow, this backhoe is so big. Oh, and look at what else is big. Yeah, this is a big wheel and tire. Oh, and hey, up here, this is a smaller wheel and tire. Ooh, look. Wow. This is tread of the tire. And tread is used so then when it spins, it doesn't slip and slide. Whoa! 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 I am sure dizzy. Oh, come here. Wow. This right here is the cab. And this is where the operator of the backhoe sits. Wow, so cool. Ooh, and look up there. Those are the headlights. And that right there is the turn signal. So then you can drive this backhoe on city streets legally. Wow. Wow. This is a stabilizer leg, and it's normally up, but right now it's down in the mud. So then when the backhoe is digging, it's nice and stable. Whoa! I am so stable. Woo! And this of the backhoe is called the boom. That up there is the arm. And this arm is actually pretty special because it has an extender hoe. That was awesome! Ooh, and look at this. This is the back bucket of the backhoe. It can get some pretty big scoops. We'll get some together later. Come on. Whoa, that is the exhaust. That's where the engine pushes all of its exhaust from. Whoa! Oh, hey, look at this. This is the front bucket, and it's really big, even bigger than the back bucket. And this front bucket is actually pretty special. It is a 4-in-1 bucket, and it acts like a clamshell. I love clams. Wow! Look at this. These are hydraulic hoses. This is a hydraulic cylinder, and hydraulics are used to provide power by pushing fluid through them to the front and the back bucket. Wow, I love backhoes. now it's time to drive and operate the backhoe. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a second. Are we forgetting something? Yeah. First things first. Safety first. Yeah. I got my hard hat on and my orange safety vest. All right, now it's time to drive and operate the backhoe. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait a second. I think we're forgetting something else. Yeah, we need to make sure that the engine is good to go. So let's go check it. Come on. So this is the hood of the engine. So let's open it up. Whoa, this is a massive engine. See, this is the air filter. This is the coolant. There's a giant tube from the radiator, the alternator, the battery. Wow, this is so powerful. But what you and I need to do is check the oil, and it's down there. Whoa, all right, so the oil is down there with the yellow O dipstick. The transmission is over there with the T dipstick. So let's grab the yellow O dipstick. Yeah? Okay, we need to wipe it off. Put it back in. So now we can inspect the oil. Yeah, looks like it's okay. All right, put it back in. And now that the backhoe is good to go, we can drive it. Let's go. All right, now we're inside the backhoe. Woo, and first things first, safety first. We have to put on our seatbelt. Good job. The cool thing about backhoes are there's a front side and a back side. So we'll check out the front side. Whoa, look at this. This is the steering wheel. This is how you drive the backhoe. Ooh, and this right here, this is the shifter. This is how you put it in forward or reverse. And over here, this, yeah, they're the turn signals. As well as, listen. Yeah, the horn. And this is how you operate the front bucket. You pull it back to make it go up. You push it forward to make it go down. Yeah, it's so great. And now let's go check out the back, okay? Wow, as you can see, the back is where the boom is, the arm, the bucket, and the stabilizer legs. And how you operate those is primarily with these two joysticks. This one, whoa, whoa, whoa! And this one, whoa, whoa, whoa! Now both of them at once. Ready? Whoa! 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 Ooh, and check out this little black button. Okay, listen. Yeah, good job. All right. Now, it's time to use the backhoe. Let's turn it on. Backhoes are the most versatile machine on the job site because it has the big front bucket and the small back bucket. Whoa! Now it's time for the backhoe dance. And how you do it is when you see a backhoe front bucket on the screen, you dance like this. Okay? And when you see a back backhoe bucket, you dance like this. All right, here we go.
An excavating machine digging in the earth. This old machine
Okay, get ready.
It's got a bucket attached to a hinge and a boom. It's called a backhoe and it's really cool. A backhoe at construction sites, digging trenches for laying pipes.
All right, here comes another one.
But it cleans it up so easily. A backhoe, backhoe, backhoe dance. Backhoe, backhoe dance. Backhoe.
Last one.
A backhoe, backhoe, backhoe dance.
Good job! That was so much fun learning about backhoes with you. Thanks so much for watching the Blippi Backhoe video. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout Blippi!
Special thanks to Case Construction, Sunsray Machinery, and the folks at the Tomahawk Customer Center. If your company wants me, Blippi, to make a video about it, shoot me an email. Bye-bye!